that is what happened when I tried to heat it and unbend it. Pretty crazy. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from BackYardBoyz. In this episode, we're gonna continue working on the M2. We got a ton of work to do, and we're gonna wrap up all the miscellaneous things that need to be done prior to paint work. If you guys are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right over here, and let's get this project going. All right, guys, so in this episode, we're going to be priming the full car to get it ready for the next step, which is paint prep. And we're also going to replace this reinforcement bar over here. If you guys do remember the previous episodes, this one right here, I had to heat up this aluminum reinforcement bar and bend it out to get the headlight in. But I got a new one because I was not planning to leave it like that. So I got a new one. And another thing I had to buy was a new headlight computer right over here, because my old headlight that was in here was cracked and water got inside and burned all the internals of this computer. So I had to buy a new one. That was the reason why my headlight was not working. And the last thing we're gonna do is pull out this seatbelt right over here because it is blown, as you guys can tell, and we're gonna send it off to LNDSOLUTIONS. So let's get started on this project. As you guys can see, yeah, that is what happened when I tried to heat it and unbend it. Pretty crazy, but that's the new one right over there. So let's go ahead and put that on, and then we can continue working and getting that seatbelt out and continue working. All right, well, that reinforcement bar went right on. I tightened it down and it is looking perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. Smack that center. Let's go. And here's the old one. We're gonna toss it. We don't need it. Bam. All right, now let's install this computer and see if that headlight turns on. Alright guys, well, this is really disappointing. I have no idea why that headlight did not start working. This one is all lit up, as you guys can tell. And that one right there does not want to light up whatsoever. I even took the battery off and everything. It should in theory work before programming, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to get that figured out, call around, see what happens. But let's continue working and get that seatbelt replaced and pulled out and prime it. All right, well, we got the seatbelt off. It was pretty straightforward. Took off this trim panel that goes right over here, took off this upper trim panel, and the seatbelt was right here. And then I had to take off a little protective cap and to get this bottom section of the seatbelt off right over here. But it is off now, and it looks like this. We're going to send this in to LNDSOLUTIONS. If you guys remember this video right here, I also sent in my GTR airbags and seatbelts to them, and they repaired it at an extreme fair price and extreme turnaround speeds. So now that we got everything done, we got the headlight computer in, we got the reinforcement bar changed, and this seatbelt off, we're ready to start sanding down and priming. Let's do it. So basically what I did over there was knock down all the mud and all the blocking marks to make it as flat as I can. That way the primer would not eventually get into the scratches and show through the paint. So if you can see, everything is smoothened out. There's no like scratches or anything. And now we're gonna mask off the car and then cook up some primer and get this thing primed. Alright guys, well, we got everything masked off. It looks pretty janky, but whatever, not a big deal. It's just primer. We got the bumper right over here, and this does not need to be masked off. It's just going to be on the stand, but take a look at that. Everything is cleaned up. We got the hood masked off right over there. We got this masked off. Everything is looking good, but unfortunately, I got to do some stuff tonight, so I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, and we're going to prime it. Peace out. Alright guys, well, it is the next day here and we're gonna continue grinding, getting that bumper all prepped and primed, so let's go. Alrighty guys, well, that is going to be it for this episode of Backyard Boys. As you guys can tell, the whole car is primed out and I'm super excited because we are ready to start doing the paint prep procedures. We're gonna be taking apart the door in the next episode and things like that to get this full thing ready for paint. Also, you guys may be questioning me, hey Tim, those are hard lines. Those are not gonna go away. But don't forget, guys, I did leave enough room for this so I can block this out and you would not see it in the paint or anything. So let's do a little walk around of all the prime spots over here, back at the quarter panel, like so. And guys, don't forget, if you guys are new to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right over here. And don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next. Yo, peace out.